Una sa ating mga balita sa muling pagsalang ni COA State Auditor Sailin Del Campo sa witness stand para tapusin ang kanyang pagharap sa impeachment court. Mainit ang naging palitan ng mga argumento sa pagitan ng prosecution panel at defense. At live mula sa Senado, naroon ang ating kasamang si Camille Gonzalez. Camille.
Bien feisty kung ilarawan ni trial spokesperson Zia Alonto Adyong ang naging takbo ng impeachment trial ngayong araw. Ilang beses kasi nagkaroon ng palitan ng argumento sa pagitan ng depensa at ng prosekusyon sa gitna ng cross-examination sa testigong si Sailin May Del Campo. Sa simula pa lang ng paglilitis, nagkaroon na ng mainit na palitan ng pahayag sina Atty. Lorna Capunan at Atty. Christine Ferrer. Ipinunto ni Atty. Capunan na matapos tumanggi ang depensa na mag-stipulate sa mga dokumento ng prosekusyon. Gagamitin din pala nila ito sa cross-examination.
Excuse me, counsel. We will have a continuing objection to their presenting their documents which have not been identified by the witness.
Your Honor, the counsel cannot
We will
dictate
not
how I
agree,
will
Your
proceed with
Honor.
my cross-examination.
We will not agree, Your Honor, to
What are you not
presentation
agreeing
of
to,
the
Attorney
defense
Capunan?
documents.
I'm sorry?
Because precisely there was no stipulation yesterday.
There
They are
was, Your
now
Honor.
constrained. Excuse me, counsel.
Allow her to finish,
They are
counsel.
now constrained, Your Honor. I'm sorry. They are now constrained to use our documents.
Kasunod nito, ipinisenta ni Atty. Ferrer ang certification ni former VP SPG Head Colonel Raymond Lachica sa PAYOR o Protective Intelligence Operations Report na inilakip ng OVP sa kanilang tugon sa Audit Observation Memorandum ng COA. Kinumpirma ni Del Campo na pasok ang ilang aktibidad na nakapaloob dito sa intelligence gathering o surveillance. Ngunit giit ni Atty. Capunan, misleading ang pagtatanong ng depensa dahil confidential at hindi intelligence funds ang sentro ng impeachment trial.
I am on cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination.
Counsels.
Misleading questions are not allowed
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
I don't
Counsels,
think I need to lecture
please.
you that.
Ayon kay Del Campo, hindi sapat ang sertipikasyon ni Colonel Lachica na wala umanong untoward incident sa PAYOR dahil proof of success ang nire-require ng COA Joint Circular.
Ang hinihanap na proof of success is kung may na-apprehend po.
Kunesyon din ng defense ang pagdemand ng COA sa official receipts at sales invoice ng confidential expenses bilang evidence of success. Sagot ni Del Campo,
Ang hinihingan lang po namin ng official receipt and invoice, yung lang pong expense pertaining to purchase of supplies and provision of medical and food aid. Hindi po nabanggit yung sa rental ng safe houses.
ipinaliwanag din ni Del Campo na pinayagan ng COA ang acknowledgement receipts para sa purchase of information at tanging sa payment of rewards lang nire-require mga official receipt at sales invoice.
Di ba po pag bumibili tayo ng supplies, ng food, ng medicine, standard procedure po yung merong resibo.
Tinalakay din ng dalawang panig ang batayan para sabihing peke o gawa-gawa lang ang mga pangalan sa acknowledgement receipts.
If the name appears to be funny, does that automatically mean that the name is fictitious?
Were not the names. The names were incidental. That the names were funny or fruit salady or names of congressmen or senators, Your Honor, is immaterial. They were flashed because of the manner by which the funds were used.
Bien, pag-uulit ni Del Campo sa nakaraang testimonya ni Atty. Wamil, silent nila ang COA Joint Circular sa LSS dahil compliance audit o documents-based lang ang scope ng kanilang post-auditing. Para sa totoong balita sa Bagong Pilipinas, Camille Gonzalez, Congress News.
Ako po si Bien Manalo. Para maging updated, manatiling nakatutok sa Congress TV Digital at sa iba pa naming social media pages.